Skiing is fun, but what about the apres-ski? Storing your gear is painful. They always fall out of place, they never dry it out properly, and they make you stink. What about an all-in-one solution for all those problems? Hi, my name is Jay Nadeau, the inventor of Apres, the rack for backcountry skiing. With Apres, you can easily store your skis with this patent-pending ski holder. Hold your ski jacket, your pants, your helmet, your goggles, even your ski boots. Wow! And now you ask, Jay, what about drying my ski skins? Well, my friend, I have a solution for you. Apres unique design lets you hold your skins any way you want. Fantastic! Apres is entirely made from repurpose ash wood, fully sustainable. Wow! Don't miss out on Apres. Go ski avant. Hey, welcome back to the Shed Creative Workshop. Today, quest number 3 is a request from my girlfriend that turned into a giveaway with Guru Energy on Instagram. Today we're making a rack for backcountry skiing. The concept is simple. I need a rack that can hold 4 pairs of skis, jackets, snow pants, backpacks, and all other ski accessories for 2 people. I got inspired by some furniture I found on Pinterest that are made from wood slats. In order to complete this quest, my design must be functional and visually pleasing as well. If you want to try this quest for yourself, I made the 3D plans available for you to download. The link is in description, my friend. To make this rack, I bought repurposed 2-inch thick by 8-foot long ash boards from Woodworking, a non-profit organization in Montreal. If you want something beautiful, of quality, affordable, and contribute to the circular economy, check out their website. They're nice people, their mission is cool, and they gave me a discount on the wood for this video. With the boards now cut to the right length, I'm at the stage of cutting the wood slats. The furniture is entirely made of wood slats. I literally did this day and night for 4 days. Let me tell you something, my 15 years old bench saw had a tough time. With all my slats cut, now was the time to make them straight. But without a jointer, I wouldn't go far. I tried many DIY solutions and finally found one. I made myself a 7-foot DIY jointer. And it actually worked pretty well. I will make a just the tip video in the coming weeks showing you how I made this custom jointer. With the slats now straight, the only thing left to do before the fabrication is to plane them to the right thickness of 1 inch by 1 3/4 inches. I'm starting the fabrication by cutting 4 small but important pieces: the crossbar, These bars will be used for supporting the side panels. I make 8 cuts in order to insert 8 wood slats. I'm now proceeding with the final placement of the crossbars to create 2 identical panels. Then I mark where I need to cut for a perfect fit. Souhaitez-moi bonne chance. Ok, on essaye ça. For each 6-foot slat, I made 2 cuts. The first one completely at the base of the slat, and the other one about 4 feet from the base. I repeated this operation 32 times. It's no small feat, you know. For a reason I don't understand, I don't have sound on this part of the video, so I'll do the video description for you. I mark the boards with an orange pencil to determine the location of the hook. I make a mistake, I lick my finger to erase. I insert a piece of wood to simulate a hook. I turn my miter saw to make a 45-degree cut. I cut, and I cut again. I show you the hook. I simulate a second time. I'm happy. I smile. I say, oh yeah. I trace the shape of the hook with an orange pencil. I cut. I use a measuring tape. I measure. I cut again. I cut the tip of all the hooks. I launch the hook in the air to make a nice shot. It doesn't seem good enough. I relaunch the hook. Okay, that's enough. Enough of the hook. The next shot, my sound is back again. I thought the next step would be easy. Oh boy, I was wrong. This was probably the longest part to figure out. Because when I would make the holes in my hook, they were always crooked, making them unusable. Cloak. Stalk. Il est comme percé croche puis il fit croche. And here I say, that's not too bad for my first one. At least it's working. But you know, it wasn't. Trying to save time, I made a drilling template, but it was a failure as I drilled all my hooks in the wrong place. I used dowel with wood glue to refill all my hooks. Then I tried to drill straight by taping a level on my drill. Gars ben là, quand je perce là, je perce croche, ok? Puis là, moi je l'ai pas là, la petite taux pour percer là, ok? Fait que, m'a me taper un niveau sur le bord de ma drill. But without success. I tried 1,000 techniques found on YouTube. Fait que là, t'as un angle droit ici. Puis là, tu viens mettre ta drill là-dedans, puis tu perces. Still without success. I finally came to the conclusion that I needed a drill press. C'est parti mon kiki. Comme moi ça toi. Le beau trou ben douette. Tu me vois-tu là dedans? Elle est où? Whoa. The only thing left to do before moving on to the next step is to add a little wooden plank at the back of the hook. Because right now they won't hold much, the little wood plank will keep the hooks at a 45-degree angle. How did I do that? I planed a little wood planks again, no thicker than 1/8 of an inch. Then I made cut in my panel using my router. Using wood scissors, I made sure the little wood plank fit perfectly. And that's it. I'm just going to show you a short 15 seconds of sanding because it's really boring to look at. I don't know if you're good at math. I'm not so bad myself. But 16 wooden slats times 4 sides each, that's a lot of sides. Like 347 sides in total. It's really long to sand a piece of furniture like this, you know. Same goes for gluing. It's boring. I'll show it to you to prove it that I did it. But it's really not as fun as it looks. With the side panels sanded and glued, it's starting to smell like the end. I cut the excess wood. I do the final touch-ups. One last small planing so that everything is flush and we're ready to build our ski rack. To finish the ski rack structure, I have 4 pieces left to cut, which are slats of 1 3/4 inches by 2 inches thick by 32 inches long. These 4 pieces will go at each end of the ski rack. It breaks up the concept of 1 slat, no slat, 1 slat, no slat, 1 slat, no slat. You get the point. I run them on my routing table to make sure of the right thickness, and I finally glue the ski rack together. Finito Pepito. The last thing I need to do is create the ski holder using the very last piece of wood I had bought for this project. I made a piece of wood with 3 little knobs that prevent the ski from falling. Very nice! Before calling it a day, I need to fix some of my mistakes. Make a final sanding with a finer grit. Add 4 small feet to the bottom of the ski rack to make it level. Stamp my The Shed Creative Workshop logo in the wood. apply some wood varnish, and finally, go skiing. In the end, I've succeeded the mission of creating a functional and visually pleasing ski rack. Quest complete, my friend. I worked on this project for almost a month and a half on and off. I also learned that in woodworking, you can't really cut corner or it comes back to bite you in the... I gained a total of 124 XP. Not bad. Which means I not only reached level 3, but also level 4. 2 levels at once. I'm still a noob, but at least a level 4 noob. And if you like the video, you can maybe put a little like on it, maybe a little comment. Share it to your friend, your mom, your girlfriend, your entire family. And you can even go and follow my Instagram and TikTok account for exclusive content. Oh, and for the love of God, can you subscribe to my channel? It will help me a lot. Okay, thank you. It was a pleasure. See you then.